Hi, this is peer lesson for They Say I Say, and our section is chapter 13, which is writing on science.
We will explain this by separating three parts: intro, body, and conclusion. In intro, setting hypothesis and explaining prevailing theory will come. After the intro, there are explaining methods of study and summarizing significances of method which establish the body paragraph. Finally, there is a conclusion which contains arguments and importance, and we are also going to explain how to anticipate objections in our writing.
When you start writing scientific essay, you'd better start off by giving some prevailing theories, at least one. Stating the prevailing theory helps the reader to identify argument. After readers fully understand your essay by reading these theories, you have succeeded to establish your idea. Now, set your hypothesis about your essay. Keep in mind that you need to connect hypothesis with prevailing theory. It is easier for the readers to be confused after reading the intro with lack of coherence. Therefore, unity is the most important matter to concern when writing an essay.
So here is a template that you can use. Put prevailing theory first, then make your hypothesis. There is an example. Providing Johannes Kepler's study before establishing your hypothesis by using astronomical fact helps the reader to be clear about your target. You have to be clear when you state your argument in the scientific essay.
When you write a hypothesis, the method used in the experiment must be stated to prove your hypothesis. Make sure the readers fully understand what the method is. This is as important as writing intro. If it is an experiment, you should explain your procedures. And if it is data, you should explain what the sample is and what the method is.
So here is a template that you can use. Explain the person who collected the data. Clarify the method and hypothesis once again. When you see this example, it clearly shows who and which method used. Numerical numbers in a sample size or in a method make your essay more reliable and credible. To summarize the significant part of the essay, here is a template that you can use that can be used to appeal to readers. Make sure to give an average of data with intervals of confidence. The term intervals of confidence is telling how the sample's interval fits to the total average. So here is an example with using this in the order, so that readers can understand the relationship between average value and sample.
When you finish mentioning your data, you should connect data with your hypothesis. You can either agree with your hypothesis by using data to strengthen or disagree with your hypothesis by using data to criticize the claim. However, the significance of the real life is necessary when you convince reader. Show that your paper is noteworthy. If you have data analysis and connection with your hypothesis, you can make conversation with other people.
So here is a template that you can choose to display your argument. As I said, you can agree, disagree, or both way. Make sure that your arguments are logical sentences extending from hypothesis to data. Here is a template to express importance of your study. Show that your paper is practical. This example shows data that connects with hypothesis, which is rush hour effect traffic jam. Also, by telling why this matters in our life, one can eventually prove that this is worthy to look because it relates with our life.
Okay, so this is our peer lesson. Remember, scientific writing is all about logic, data, and open mind. We are Jiseok and Jeonghwan, and we hope this is helpful. Thank you.